how much should you actually spend on a window cleaning robot? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Double Helix Window Cleaning Robot. Let's kick things off with the Double Helix Window Cleaning Robot. Priced at $129.99, it caught my eye with its impressive suction power of 4,800 to 6,400 pascals and dual ultrasonic spray system. If you want a reliable way to keep your large windows spotless without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4,800 to 6,400 pascal suction means it can handle everything from light dust to stubborn grime, leaving your windows streak-free. Plus, with its 85 milliliter tank and edge detection, it knows where to clean and when to stop, preventing any spills or messes. Honestly, I was surprised to see that over 400 people have bought this recently, which shows there's a lot of interest. Now, some people complained about the size of the water tank being a bit small for larger jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a quick cleanup and don't mind refilling occasionally, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, effective cleaning solution for your large windows. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty or have a huge area to cover. Now, if the Double Helix's tank size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more advanced setup.
Product number 2, Ecovacs WinBot W3. Next up is the Ecovacs WinBot W3, which is a premium option at $699.99. What caught my attention is its WinSlam 5.0 smart navigation, which claims to intelligently map out a cleaning route. If you want top-notch technology to ensure every inch of your large windows is clean, this one's worth considering. The WinBot W3's intelligent cleaning system means it adapts its path based on the layout of your windows. This is key for large spaces as it maximizes efficiency. Combine that with a triple spray system and 12-level protection, and you're set for a thorough clean. The fact that it's been bought 400 times in just a month really speaks to its popularity. However, some users voiced concerns about its weight, stating it can be a bit cumbersome to move around. But I'll be real with you. If you're going for advanced features and don't mind a heavier device, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you value high-tech features and want a robot that does all the thinking for you. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a mix of features at a more reasonable price.
Product number 3, Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro. Now, let's check out the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro, priced at $399. It caught my attention with its dual power modes and 6-in-1 multi-function station. If you want flexibility in your cleaning routine, this is definitely worth a serious look. The dual power modes mean you can choose between battery and plugged-in operation. This flexibility is essential for cleaning large windows, especially in places without outlets, covering up to 110 minutes of cleaning on a full charge. The 3-nozzle wide-angle spray technology increases water pressure, ensuring that dirt dissolves quickly. Plus, it's equipped with a 12-stage protection system, so it's designed with safety in mind, something that matters when working on high-rise windows. Now, some people complained that the setup could be a bit complicated at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the efficiency you gain is well worth the initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful cleaner that offers flexible charging options. Skip this one if you prefer something straightforward that's ready to go right out of the box. Now, if the complexity of the W2 Pro concerned you, you might appreciate the next option, which is designed to be simpler.
Product number 4, Toshiba W5 Window Cleaning Robot. Priced at $169.99. This caught my eye with its max adaptive suction of 6,400 PA and intelligent navigation. If you want a combination of power and smart technology without a hefty price tag, this one's definitely worth a look. What's exciting about the W5 is its dual spiral cleaning design and an intelligent edge detection feature. This means it works effectively on all glass surfaces, adapting to dirt levels without scratching your windows. The 65 milliliter water tank is larger than some, and it automatically stops spraying when it reaches the edge of surfaces, which is a nice touch for preventing messes. Plus, it's already garnered attention with 300 purchases in the last month. However, some users mentioned that the battery life could be longer, lasting about 40 minutes. But honestly, if you're generally doing smaller jobs, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a smart, powerful cleaner that's easy to operate. Skip this one if you have really large windows and need a longer cleaning duration. Now, if the battery life of the W5 wasn't enough for you, the next option is something that promises a more extended operation time.
Product number 5, updated window cleaning robot. Finally, we have the updated window cleaning robot, also priced at $169.99. It caught my attention due to its enhanced battery and intelligent path planning features. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on technology, this could be the one for you. This robot boasts a max suction of 6,400 pascals and an anti-slipping feature, making it reliable for high-rise windows. The path planning technology helps it navigate efficiently, ensuring a thorough clean without missing spots. The added benefit of 2 pairs of nozzles and 10 cloths means you'll be well equipped for any cleaning session. With 300 units sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction. On the downside, some reviews pointed out that it might not be as durable as higher-end models. But here's the thing. For the price, it offers impressive features and performance that shouldn't be overlooked. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution that still delivers solid results. Skip this if you want a heavy-duty cleaner that can take a lot of wear and tear. That wraps up my top 5 picks for window cleaning robots for large windows. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's definitely something for everyone.
In conclusion, we've covered some solid options. The double helix for affordability, the Ecovacs WinBot W3 for advanced tech, the WinBot W2 Pro for flexibility, the Toshiba W5 for power, and the updated window cleaning robot for budget-friendly features. Depending on your needs and budget, you have some great choices to keep those large windows sparkling clean.